Hi everyone, welcome back. My name's Natalie from Wiplabs.com, the #1 store for innovative crowdfunded tech products. If you think you have a product that belongs in our store, send us an email, info@wiplabs.com. Today we're doing an unboxing of the Scriba. Let's get started. Handy tack pen. There we go. This is what it should look like in the mail when you get it. Plastic wrap, protected. Let's open that up gently. Whoop. And there it is, the Scriba. The Scriba is an award-winning stylus. It won the Design Awards and the IDI Design Awards as well. Here we go. I'm gonna open the box. Let's go here. Okay, all packaged. There it is. And inside the box you have the charging cable and a few extra tips if necessary. And inside the box it says, Scriba, squeeze a little, do a lot. Very cute. So a few features about the Scriba Stylus. It is, first of all, has great ergonomics. It's very lightweight, so it's easy to hold. And you can use it if you're left-handed or right-handed. Left-handed, right-handed. It has a nice feeling to it. It's also got a squeezable option, which allows you to actually change different settings in your in the apps that you're using. For example, you can change the size of your brush. It has great battery life. It's got about 200 hours, which is way longer than any other stylus that's on the market. And if you ever do need to charge it, there's a micro USB right here. I mean, obviously you do need to charge it at some point, but the micro USB here, it'll charge it. Once it's full, it'll last for 200 hours, which is a lot. Oh, and it also has something that no other stylus has, which is haptics. So it will actually vibrate or tap back at you, depending on the notifications that you're receiving. That is the Scriba Stylus in a nutshell. Beautiful tool for artists, architects, anybody who needs to draw a lot on their iPad. Looks cool, works well. This is me demonstrating how cool it looks. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. Did you guys back the project when it was on crowdfunding? Do you have one? Do you want one? What do you think you would do with it? I want to know everything. Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope to see you soon on Wiplabs.com.